Hey guys, it's T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2022 Mastercraft NXT24. This particular boat is a broker boat, so I've got it listed on consignment. It's got a full hull color black. Hull sides 1, 2, and 3 are also black with the black Mastercraft designator. As you see, this boat is absolutely immaculate. There's no scratches, no gouges. Literally looks like a mirror down the side of it. Trailer is included, of course. It's got the 2.7 clips tower speakers. It's got the anodized black tower bases with the clamp force, black anodized board racks. Take a look around, show it to you. Same side on the port. It's just absolutely, I mean, it basically looks brand new. Trailer's great. It's a freshwater boat, of course. It's got the fiberglass swim platform on it. It's got the mocha brown sea deck. It's got the clips transom remote right here. Climb aboard and take a look on the interior. It's got the all cool fill interior. Cool full base is black with the coconut brown accent, so it goes great together. Climb aboard and take a look here. It does have the rear flip seat in the center. It's got the heater option in it, upgraded stereo in it. Absolute incredible boat. You can see on the captain's chair, there's no wear, there's no rips, no tears, no gouges. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful boat. It's got the brown decadence in it, so it sets it off nice. Center flip seat there. Again, this boat is available for immediate delivery. It's got only 30 engine hours on it, and again, all freshwater here on Lake Kiowee in South Carolina. So if you're looking for a great priced, barely used boat, give me a call, 864-419-7767. Have a great day.